Hello and welcome to HELiOS ShortClip. In this video I would like to show you the new and highly enhanced dialog for the transfer of whole assemblies. First, I load an assembly from the Windows Explorer. Second, we would create a new project in case if it doesn't exist yet. A new project can also be called via integration, but in this case I already activated the new project in HELiOS. Another new feature is that the functions are not only available via Info Centre, but also are available at this surface. And as you can already see in the dialog, it doesn't really have much in common with the new HELiOS, since the dialog is substantially converged with the actual derivation functionality. This means that there are various possibilities with regards to the selection of the component to fulfill. For instance, I could go here and tick all superordinate parts, meaning that I shortly open up the structure and say, here I would like to tick the cylinder or the cylinder production drawing. And by ticking them, all superordinate components are being considered too. Certainly, there is also the option to tick all components directly in case if I like to consider the whole assembly in the database. I have the option to do the preset of attributes immediately. This means, for example, here that for the resourcing I could select that it is self-manufacturing. I could preset the destination to for the steam engine and so further. The same thing applies also for the documents register. In general, each article could be checked and modified beforehand. There are also different options for the number assignment. Furthermore, there are also the input settings down here. Namely, do we have different import configurations which I can select for writing certain I properties onto HELiOS attributes, or vice versa, writing HELiOS attributes onto certain CAD attributes. Moreover, I can certainly call projects and folders for selecting the respective workflows for articles and documents. After all, I would enter the whole component in HELiOS and all parts would be applied as article. Also, a document would be created for respective geometries. And certainly, in case if there is an existing drawing, a respective document would be created and all the relevant data would be linked to each other. The transfer is done, meaning that I have the option to see here that all parts are being created as document and as article, all of which are write protected, serving only for reading purpose, and that the part is reserved for the processing, meaning that no one except me is allowed to edit it. And here I am also enabled to say that I want to check in all parts, as well as cancel everything, not only cancelling the current shown drawing, but also all subordinated parts of the assembly can be cancelled, meaning that if I have made certain changes, I could cancel them completely via this function. Likewise, I can take over the changes completely so that the write protection is removed and therefore it is accessible to everyone. So the write protection is removed, meaning that the documents are checked in and my complete assembly is inserted in HELiOS. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for your attention. Bye!